So I'm going to be showing you how to make a rig, and I'd be very, very surprised if anyone has ever made this rig before. So what do I need? I need 4 of these things, which are weighted sole booms, which I got from Breakaway Tackle. I need 4 of these, which are little, I suppose you put weights on them or whatever. And I need 4 of these, which are just normal sort of spring clips. And I need 4 of these, well, 8 of these, because these are double-sided. These are CDs. Now, 1 or 2 of you, if you've had a boat, are going to be thinking, I know what's coming next. And what I'm going to be doing, oh yes, and I also need some of this, which is 60-pound shock leader. And the plan, my cunning plan at least, is that I'm going to be using about 9 foot of this, these, and these, together with a few beads and a few a few crimps. And what I'm making is this. So this end connects to one end of the boat, and then strung out along are these, and the reason I've got them weighted is because I don't want them spinning around too much and bashing around. And the reason I need these is because I've put my boat on the river, and it's got a cover on it, and the cover is the favourite place for seabirds to come and have their takeaway crab and shellfish meals. And to be honest, I don't really mind them eating on my boat cover, but I just wish they'd be a bit tidier, because what they tend to do is they smash the crabs to smithereens. They eat the best bits, leave the rest, don't clear up, and of course, you know, what goes in, without being too indelicate, comes out. And so my boat cover on a weekly basis, well, it's not very nice. And so I thought that what I would do is I'd invest in a plastic owl. And this is Ollie, the plastic owl, and to be fair, he's done a fairly good job. The seabirds used to walk around in their muddy Doc Martens all over the outboard cover, and they don't do that anymore because Ollie's there on guard. But what they have done is they've gone down to the other end of the boat where Ollie can't reach, and they sit there smashing crabs to bits, you know, drinking a few Stella Artois and generally making a mess. And so I thought if I put this up, that would solve the problem. It remains to be seen whether it works. And so I was just wondering, on these CDs, what is sort of good music for scaring away seabirds? I'm thinking maybe Cat Stevens. Do you see what I did there?